we had a wonderful time camping here in Hyder, Alaska. The first place we were at was gorgeous, but it was on a main road going to the mine. And it was close to Fish Creek where we could go see the bears that we never saw. Anyway, here on the mouth of the Salmon River was fantastic, so relaxing. But like all things, it must come to an end. So we are off and out of Alaska and on to the lower 48. First off though, we have to go through Canada, and we've got some things on our list to see. Well, y'all, this is one reason we have a composting toilet. Yeah. It is 1:45 here in Stewart, British Columbia.
No, it's 2:45.
Okay, 2:45.
Yeah.
Anyway, my watch is still on Hyder. These folks just pulled up here, so now we're waiting. You got anything to say, Mr. C?
No comment.
He's not happy about this situation.
Yeah.
So I guess we should tell y'all why we decided to leave early. Why did we decide to leave early?
Weather. And
weather plays a big part, y'all.
And fires.
And mudslides.
So the one highway we were going to take where we're going, we'll show y'all later. It had a mudslide on it the other day. So
yeah.
Sure, it's 700 miles from us, but there was a mudslide.
So, yeah. Well, we have some friends of ours that are traveling in front of us, and they let us know things aren't quite right. So thank you, Pam and Jim. That's why we left today. Happy trails to us. Hopefully. Little tidbit of video here of Bear Glacier. We stopped here on our way in.
It wasn't sunny.
No. And the wind is blowing big time today. It is gorgeous.
That blue snow.
Yeah. Awesome. Good evening. We don't normally travel this late in the evening, but we had some friends tell us that it was getting smoky and everything over in Banff, so we decided to hit the road this afternoon, and it is 9 p.m. right now. We have seen some smoke, but not a whole lot, thank goodness. We are at a rest area next to a creek, it looks like. Maybe a river, I'm not sure. But I'll put the coordinates below for this spot. It's right off of 16 headed to Banff. What a pain in the butt. You see that traffic? Now that traffic stopped. And there's a train too. Sorry, I forgot about the train. About 12:30. And the semis stopped about the same time. But they started right back up at 5:30 this morning. So if you stay here, you're only going to get about 6 hours of sleep, if that. Well, we were just too tired when we got here last night. We traveled all day. Well, from about, 2:30? I think that's what time it was over there. I mean, it's a pretty place. And when there's no traffic or a train or semis, it's fantastic. It's got a little creek down here. It's very well maintained. Ducks in the water down there. It's been mowed recently. And look here. The leaves are starting to fall off the trees. But I'm gonna tell you, when those semis come down that hill right there, they are flying. Flying, I'm telling you, flying. It's a little chilly this morning. It's 48 degrees, I think. This road right out here is 16. And we're on our way to Prince George, I think. But there's room enough in here for at least 5, maybe 6, 7 rigs. There's a lot of space. And we didn't have any semis pull in here last night. They do have a pit toilet here. And they have trash bins, which is fantastic. And a couple of picnic tables. It's like pull-offs over here. We can probably get another rig behind us. A van or something could park right here by the tree. There are 2 rigs in front of us, and you can probably get one right here by the picnic table and one in front of them. So it's pretty sweet. And there's room enough down there to turn around.